Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we are going to learn how to calculate the perimeter of quadrilaterals with mixed units. To calculate the perimeter, we use this equation here, which states that the perimeter of any shape is equal to the sum of all of the sides. That simply means we gotta add up all of the sides in the shape. So we look at our first example here. Of course, we're going to use that rule. Perimeter is equal to the sum of the sides. And if we label the sides as A, B, C, and D, we can rewrite this rule as simply being A plus B plus C plus D, the four side lengths. Now we have to do a bit of an analysis here because we're missing two side lengths. We're missing what B and what C are. But luckily they're pretty easy to find out because they're simply equal to the opposite sides. So side B is going to be the same as side D, which is 17. And side C is going to be the same as side A, which is 10. So we can simply fill in that information. So B is 17 kilometers and C is 10 kilometers. We don't require any conversion, so we can simply fill in these values and then calculate the answer. 10 plus 17 plus 10 plus 17 again. And you can use your calculator here should you need it. Our answer is going to be 54. And that will be kilometers. So if we wanted to walk all the way around this shape, that distance around it would be 54 kilometers. Now let's have a look at our second example here. And hopefully you can straight off tell, okay, well, we still have a quadrilateral. We can still use the same rule, but we have some mixed units here. We have centimeters, we have meters, we have kilometers, and we're going to have to deal with that. As usual, we'll start by stating our rule. Perimeter is equal to the sum of the sides. And again, we can label these A, B, C, D, or anything you really want. I just find those easy. And then we can just add up all of those sides, A, B, C, and D. We're going to have to take a second here to convert these units. Now I can see that we've got a couple of meters here already, and these are nice numbers. 18 is a whole number, 18 is a whole number, so it looks like meters might work out nicely, so we'll work with meters. So what we're going to do is we're going to convert 0.13 kilometers into meters and 1800 centimeters into kilometers. So let us take a sidebar here and do that calculation. 0.013 kilometers. If we want to convert that into meters, we're going to have to take that number and multiply it by 1,000 to turn it into meters. Now 0.013 times by 1,000 is going to give us 13 meters. And our other one, 1800 centimeters. To turn 1800 into a meters value, we're going to divide by 100. That's our conversion factor. And 18 divided by 100 is 18. And now this is in meters. And now that all four of our values, being A, B, C, and D are in meters, we can add them all up like we did in the previous example. So our perimeter is going to be A was 13 plus B, which is 18, plus C, 18, plus D, 18 again. And so again, you can do this out of your head, or you can use your calculator, and we're going to get the answer 67. And we changed all of this to meters. And so if we wanted to walk all the way around this shape, walking around all four sides, we would walk 67 meters. So the perimeter is 67 meters. And there you have it. That is how we can calculate the perimeter of quadrilaterals, even when they have mixed units.